What's up, guys? It's early Saturday morning, and well, I guess it's almost noon now. We're just about to take a lunch break, but we've been out here for good four or 5 hours now. We like to get up early Saturdays or Sundays, at least one day a weekend, and have at her. We got lots done. It's been a while since we've had a big, long, productive day like this, and we're still planning on going for a couple hours. So I'll show you here in a sec some of the things that we've got done, but we've been outside getting the body all sanded. I'll show you what we've done to the car here in a second first, but and then I'll take you outside and show you. We've been sanding outside. Nice day outside for early December, so we're getting the car sanded down. I promised you it was going to look completely different next year, and I think we got something pretty badass lined up for the paint scheme. And I'll give you one hint: Douglas windows and doors. See if you can put that together. Comment below if you know what I'm saying. We got a pretty badass paint scheme lined up for next year, I think. So, getting the body all sanded down, like I said. A couple of guys here with me this morning. Our crew is just awesome. All winter, everything, all summer. They're out here nonstop. We have a pretty badass team, so I can't thank everyone enough that comes out and helps on the car all season. We're a fairly young team, all things considered. I think we're going into our 5th year, and we've got a... When we first started, I mean, even myself, we had no idea what we were really doing, and we've just kind of learned, and we're, pretty self-sufficient now, so I'm pretty proud of that. Here, I'll show you one of the things that we've done here. So one of the things that we've been working on today, we got new bumper bar mounts tack welded on there so we can start playing with that. And then we had to, still got a little cleaning up to do, but we had to fix some of that stuff. Because that night that we hit the inside wall, when we had the motor kind of go sour on us and we ended up hitting the inside wall at Delaware, that late night, we kind of threw a couple things together to make it through the rest of the year. So we want to get that stuff off, and we're going to go to a new style bumper mount and stuff that I just showed you. So got some of that stuff cleaned up today. We got to clean that up a little bit more, like you saw. We've just been grinding her and getting her ready. But let's go outside. I'll show you the body. What a pain in the ass this is. This is where we're at. This is quite a bit of work so far, but we're hard at her. We got some of the holes and stuff, rivets fixed. I don't think we're going to put rub rails on next year. I don't find they do anything. So we filled all those holes up and working on sanding her down. There's the back part of it. We're going to stick with this body for next year. I wanted to get the new body, but I'm sure air is worth something somewhere. But with Jukasa shutting down, I don't think it's worth as much as it once was. I mean, Delaware, I don't know how much faster we're going to be going to Delaware. I'm sure air still does something, but we got 3 of these back end of these bodies sitting here, so might as well use them. Better spend the money on something else. So we're going to redo the front end again. We made do for the end of the year last year with the stuff that we smashed up. But 5-star makes a hell of a body. That stuff just bends right back out. So, but we're going to replace everything on the front end again and sand this body down and have at her another thing. We're gonna make a few small changes, and obviously we got to make some fixes. I'll show you the back end here where we have to fix a few things. We're getting it all sanded down, but we got some of that stuff, and then we're gonna get it all, once it's all sanded, we're gonna re-glass some of this stuff. But this is the body so far. This is today's job after we did those few things, and yeah, we'll check back in a little bit. I think maybe we'll take a break here for lunch and see what we can do. This is not, anyone who's a body person, good on you, because I hate doing this. How'd we do, Zoe? You not inspecting it? Alright, we gotta go to a Christmas party tonight, so that's it for tonight. But we, as you can see here, have a camo car now, so we cover it up, but we're like 2/3 of the way done sanding it today. Sanding sucks. Like I said earlier, if you're a body person, I admire you. I don't ever want to deal with this stuff, but saves money doing it yourself. So here's the pit cart. I think we finished the frame last night. It's ready for some paint, I think, and then I have to sell an organ to afford the aluminum to skin it, but I think this thing's turned out pretty good. It's really strong. And what do you think, Zoe? Is it good? She's not sure. But yeah, so I think one of the next steps is to get this painted, and then we can start getting the aluminum on the outside and get some shelves and stuff in here. Get a bead roller, and I think this thing's gonna be pretty awesome. I'm pretty happy with it. I wasn't expecting it to turn out this good. We didn't really have a plan. I kind of knew like how I wanted to lay out and stuff, and then we just started cutting and welding, and that's that. And then yeah, we did a few more things on the car today, and body and pit cart last night, and I think one night during the week we're gonna finally have a look at that motor, do a leak down test and stuff on it, and see what's wrong with it. Hopefully we can fix it and have a good spare motor. And yeah, I just want to be ready for this year. I'm ready to go racing already. I miss it, but I just want to make sure that we're fully prepared when we do the bumper bars and stuff on the car. We're gonna build 2 or 3, just all that stuff. But anyways, that's it for today. Hopefully we can do another couple shop nights this week, and then on the weekend I like the whole Saturday working in the morning and stuff. But yeah, finally good to do some more on the car. So that's it. Appreciate everyone who subscribes to the channel. Be sure you click that subscribe button, and make sure you go like all of our other social media pages. Our Facebook's, I think we're at like 520, 525 or something now. Let's keep pushing. Let's see. Oh,
Zoe wants to go for a ride.
He's in the car. Zoe likes the car. That's it, folks. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time on the Motorsports vlog.